The Ghana East Municipal Hospital used to be very busy from 2019 to the latter part of 2022. What were they doing? They were one of the emergency response unit for COVID-19 cases. What is the current situation here in terms of COVID-19 cases? Now, my sources here tell me that they are just managing referrals from the communities across the Greater Accra region and even beyond. So it is not as busy as it used to be from the period 2019 to the latter part of 2021. What they are unable to do is to tell me the number of COVID-19 patients on admission currently at this hospital. My next step for this report will be the University of Ghana Medical Center. The University of Ghana Medical Center over the weekend recorded some COVID-19 cases. Now, these patients were brought to the ICU. What is the current state of these patients, and what is the current state of COVID-19 at this facility? Are they recording more cases, or have the cases reduced, or have the patients who were on admission been discharged? I'm here to give you updates on the COVID-19 situation at this facility.
As we know, it went down, but I think about 2 to 3 weeks now, we've seen new cases coming in. And at the moment, we have 5 patients on admission at our emergency ward, where patients report to with various conditions and they are diagnosed. So we've diagnosed 5 persons with COVID-19 who are on admission currently. And they are quite moderate to severe cases who require to be given oxygen.
The medical director of the University of Ghana Medical Center with some updates of the COVID-19 situation at their facility. Are you wondering from where the cases are emanating?
These are not, as you may be aware, at UGMC we do not really have a dedicated infectious disease center. And so at the moment we are not receiving cases across the country, but we are using the Ghana East, where we have the Ghana Infectious Disease Center, and that is where cases are aggregated at. But these are patients who walked into our hospital with, complaints of various illnesses, and then upon looking after them, upon doing various investigations, we find out that what they have is actually COVID-19.
I asked Dr. Kwame Enim Boama if COVID-19 was gradually creeping back after many interventions were put in place over the years, or if it was getting worse.
At the moment, we've seen increase in cases, as I said, over the last 3 weeks compared to, let's say, 2 or 3 months ago. But there again, because immunization or vaccination is available, we would advise that everybody should take the vaccines, because if you have vaccinated, then the chances that when you contract the virus, you have a severe illness is low. But if you are not vaccinated, when you have or you contract the virus, then your illness would be severe.
You may think this is not an issue because the cases are just trickling in from across the country. But do not be deceived. This is the time for us to go back to observing the COVID-19 safety protocols. I am Kojo Achman reporting for Citi News.